Hi there, Tin from K-On, and we're going to have a talk about the Out-Back gas bottle mount. Most people don't like to travel with a gas bottle inside the car for obvious reasons. So this is a solution to mount your gas bottle outside the car. Now, we're going to go through how the gas bottle mounts to this bracket and how you might be able to mount this bracket to wherever you like on the vehicle. We have an Out-Back Spare Tyre Mount, which allows you to mount it to the spare tyre. You can attach the gas bottle to this mount with these clamps on the bottom. Now, these will only fit certain types of gas bottles. They're fairly easy to find. These ones were from Bunnings, and it's mainly about this cutout on the bottom, which seems to be fairly common amongst the gas bottles that you buy. Now this will fit this is a 2 kilo and a 1 kilo gas bottle. Now if you don't have one of those gas bottles, we've got these slots on the side, so you can use a cam lock strap. You could even use that in conjunction with these clamps if you want to be just that a little bit more sure of the attachment of the bottle to the mount. What we want to do first is attach the mount to the vehicle, and then we'll attach the bottle to the mount. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the Out-Back tyre mount. So it gives you a way of attaching accessories to your spare tyre. Now have a think about where you want to position your mount, and also check with your local authorities as to the legalities around carrying fuel on the back of your car. Also, the other thing you need to check is clearances to lights and other bits and pieces that might be in the way if you've got, say, a swing away or a door that hinges open, things like jerry cans as well, if you've got a rear bar. So we're going to attach this one in this position here. So we're going to attach the mount to the other mount and then strap it in place. Okay, there's a little trick to getting this mounted on the tyre, and I'll just go through how I do it. If you're getting a ratchet strap, get one with a hook like this so that the strap doesn't twist. We can supply you with one, but if you have got one already, you can use that. I'm going to hook it on this side, and then actually having the strap on the top there means it's not going to slide around, and you can get this strap on the center of the tyre and make sure there's no twists or kinks in the strap, and then hook the other end on as well. So it's a little bit loose at the moment. We'll just give it a few clicks, tighten it up a bit. We want a little bit of friction, but not too much so that we can't move it. So that's good there. So now I'm going to run it around to where I want it. And that way I can adjust the position, make sure it's the right way this way, and sitting nice and vertical this way. Just keeping in mind, as you tighten it up, it's going to want to pull it across. So that's looking pretty good. And then make sure it's nice and secure. The other thing you want to make sure is that your spare tyre's pumped up as well, because if it's not pumped up, it's not going to hold very well. So there you go. Well, we've got the mount on now. I'll show you how to fit the gas bottle. Now we're going to use the bottom clamps here because they're nice and tidy. So the way it works, and that's why we need these cutouts in the gas tank, is you slip them on like this, and we'll slip the other one on as well, like that, and then we'll place it on top of the mount. Now underneath here we've got the holes here which will screw up and go into the bottom of those clamps. Position your bottle so it's nice and snug, and just tighten those up. So that's attached there now. So for that extra bit of security, we've included a strap as well. Now we've got two positions. We've got the 45, which sort of pulls it down and inwards, and we've got the one around the back there. So I'll just show you this one here, just a little cam lock. And just tighten it down. I'll just tuck that around there. So we've got the gas bottle on the back of the FJ. I don't know how we fluked the colour, it looks fantastic. Good match. So that's a gas bottle mount on the back of the vehicle attached to the Out-Back mount, spare tyre mount. Now the other thing to consider with this is we designed this to be used with other accessories for mounting stuff like max tracks and so forth too. And again, if you're considering this setup, please check the regulations in your local area as to the legalities of whether you can do this or not. So that's the Out-Back gas bottle mount.